Hello there, my name is Om, and the place that today we are going to explore is Goa. It is one of the most sought after tourist destinations in India. But why do you need to visit Goa? Well, for its beautiful beaches, for its delicious seafood, for its lovely weather, for its lush greenery, or for its cheap and best quality booze. Take your pick, and Goa has it all. So let's get out and start exploring. So we are here at the Malo beach, which is located near the Vasco city of Goa. Vasco city happens to be one of the oldest cities in Goa. The best thing about this beach is it being very calm and peaceful. You can see this beach is very less crowded as compared to the other more famous beaches of Goa, and that's the reason of its serenity. The second best thing about this beach is it being near to the airport as well as seaport. So this place is one place to be when you are in Goa. So we are having our food at Sheila restaurant. The best thing about this place is they don't have any menu. You have to give an order and they will tell you whether they have that food or not. Second thing, if you are going from airport to North Goa, this place would be on the way. I think they have served our food and it looks delicious. Just have a look on the food that they have been served. We just finished the dinner at Sheila restaurant and I think the food was good. According to me, my review about this restaurant is, it's a one-time visit. I give 3 out of 5 stars.